is up? Welcome and welcome back. So as you guys can see, it's your Jamaican friend here again once more. So before I go any further in this reaction, I did a reaction on the sheriff, right? The big push. You guys stated a lot of comments saying, oh, I'm from Jamaica and I don't know what the big sheriff is done by Bob Marley. Guys, the thing is, it wasn't ringing a bell until further down in the reaction. And the thing is, Bob Marley is a man that died many years before I even born, so it's gonna take some time to process it, right? So I shot the sheriff. It wasn't ringing a bell, but I know the music because my father is a Rasta man, so I've heard the music, but not knowing it to that extent. So if I should hear that music now, it would give me a small part of the vibe, but not the entire thing. So I don't know that music to the extent, just like how I can know the song like Man to Man is so. If I heard that song, it's gonna be a blast. But nevertheless, you guys stated that I should do some more reaction on Ren, and here's what I have. I'll do a next reaction on Ren, but this is just the cover. I shot the sheriff, Bob Marley. So without further ado, people, thank you all so much for the love, thank you all so much for the support. You guys have showed me so much support, I just can't get enough. So in spite of that, guys, I'll give you something else that you guys can watch. So without further ado, people, let's dive into this. I shot the sheriff cover done by Ren. It was done by Bob Marley originally. I'll see you there. Peace. Bro, this man guitar skills is just amazing. It stands out really because I've heard so many guitarists around the world, because in Jamaica we have our special guitarist and he can play real good, but this man, hearing what Ren can do with that guitar is very good. Very good. It's a masterpiece when we hear Ren with this type of guitar skills. Let's continue. Bro, I just love the way he plucks that guitar string. He play with vibes, he play with love, he plays with passion. Bro, that's not normal, bro. We have a lot of guitarists, but not everyone can orchestrate the guitar properly. But Ren, bro, as a youth, he have this cover, guys. I mean, like, it is very exquisite to see Ren play this guitar. Trust me, I'm thrilled. Let's continue. Okay guys, this is the moment that I've been waiting for. Oh my god, guys, I'm so nervous. I'm a bit nervous but excited at the same time, bro. I don't know how that happened, but this is Ren we're speaking of. Like, I've just known Ren yesterday, the time when you were watching this video, and I'm already in love with his work. Trust me. Let's continue.
Yes, it's all around in my hometown. People were trying to track me down.
Guys, I'll be like, this is the same exact way we would sit and we are listening the official music by Bob Marley. This performance that he's doing now, it sounded alike. I mean, like, if we don't know anything about the Sheriff song, we think this song that Ren is doing is the official music, bro. And I think he really do idolize Bob Marley a lot. I mean, like, yeah, a lot of people around the world do idolize Bob Marley. Bob Marley is an international person. He's getting his recognition when he died, bro. I mean, like, all of Bob Marley's songs are hit music, bro. Like, everything is just so properly written, constructed, and it's also factual. So a lot of people around the world would get the same feedback as all the Jamaicans would. And I really do like that, bro. For our little country, Jamaica is being recognized by so much people around the world, bro. This flag we're seeing here, bro, my country is one of the best Caribbean countries out there, bro. Like, it is insanely beautiful. Like, I do love our country. Let's continue.
For crime that I did not commit, for the murder of a deputy, for the life of a deputy, but I
Oh, what are these guys? Bro. Ren, bro, I don't even know how you're doing this, bro, but I can feel it. I can feel this, bro. Powerful song, bro. And the way he sing it, bro, it's just powerful, unstoppable voice, bro. This voice is unstoppable. Very rare, but unique at the same time. Oh, man, let's continue. Aaron, bro, like, where the hell does this man come from, bro? That note he pulls, bro, that's sick, bro. That is total. Hey! Okay, guys, let's continue.
But I swear it wasn't self-defense.
Bro, I was always wanna do that in my first reaction, but just because I was holding back, but no, I'm not holding back, bro. I'm gonna go all out. And this right here, this song right here, bro, hits differently, bro. Oh, let's continue. Boom, energy drink. We have to drink some of this to get energized, like. Bro, that was sick, bro. Ah! Let's continue. Oh, God! Bro, like, this is crazy.
Whenever I would have to plant a seed, we would say that you live before we grow. Yeah, you would say that you live before we grow. But I said, shut the shit down.
Oh, bloody hell, bro. Powerful song, bro. Powerful song. Powerful artist, bro. Aaron, my bro. You gotta keep this up, my nigga. You gotta keep this up, bro. Very good. Absolutely good.
But I do not But I swear it doesn't sound too full.
Bro, that instrument, that drumming, bro, that guitar playing, bro. Ah, bloody hell, bro. Just so perfect, bro. So perfect. Let's continue. Guys, I think I've seen this guitarist in the previous video. He really do like black, bro. I mean, like, any guy or any person, any woman like black, bro. Not to be reckoned with. Those people, don't fuck them, bro. No, 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 no. But, bro, his guitar playing skills is off the roof, bro. Off the charts. Sick guitar playing, bro. Okay, let's finish. I shot the sheriff. Ah, radio.
Woke up this morning. Would you believe when I
Nah, bro.
What's up?
That was sick, bro. Ren, your music is dope, bro. This is sick, bro. I mean, like, guys, thank you all so much for your suggestions, bro. That was insanely good, guys. Oh, bloody hell, bro. I'll see you next time, guys. Subscribe for more. I'm out.